Alright, good morning guys. It is 6 a.m. again. We are about to head to Sunoco and get gas for the rally. Dude, I'm exhausted from yesterday. Hopefully you guys had a lot of fun at Invasion. Hold on as I put my stuff down. Yeah, so hopefully you guys had a lot of fun at Invasion. It was a great time for us. So we really enjoyed seeing everybody. Like I said in the last video, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video too, and like seeing some of the driving and whatnot in it. So let's get today started. So we already had to make a second stop. The first E85 station was closed, so we drove down on Michigan to get E85 at this Chevron. First time here, so hopefully the E85's good. But, yes, sir. Oh God, music. God damn, we lit.
We lit, baby. I mean, it's cold, but we lit.
Oh man.
Turn on the seat warmer.
Yes,
Jeez.
sir. 6. Whew. We ready.
Ready, baby.
We are out here. We are ready. Pulling up, lining up. Ben, riding with right now. I think he's gonna hop between the cars. Got Ken starting to film. We got Paulie. Should be a fun rally. Good morning, Miguel.
Good morning, man. How are you guys? Good.
It's going, man. We got a little bit of sleep at least.
Yeah. For me, I try to go to bed early after we did the after party yesterday. But other than that, man, I'm excited. Back up at it again. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get a good night's sleep.
Yeah,
so.
for sure.
Morning. VIP guy.
How'd you sleep?
Really well.
Really well.
I was exhausted last night. I feel great now. Man, it was crazy last night. Having to take down the boost and everything.
Oh man, you guys had to stay and do all that, right? Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, we were the last ones to leave last night at about 6:30.
Team no sleep, we can't see your eyes.
I'll give it about all day.
I woke up with these.
Oh man, vlogceptions.
All the vlogs. And the shows that Atlanta, the photographer rides around on one of those little slider carts.
There it is.
Alright guys, so we're going to be on the roads with plenty of other people going to church, to the store. It's early in the morning though, so hopefully there's not a whole lot of people on the other roads, but just be respectful of those other people. Probably not real great to go flying by them at 120 and a 60 or something like that and get called on us, so the biggest thing really though is when we get onto the back roads, there's going to be solid double yellow lines. They're there for a reason. Don't pass them and try to use the whole road. This isn't the racetrack. Take it to the racetrack and do it there, because you can't see around those corners. And I don't want somebody getting hurt, hitting another car. We all want to arrive safely. The other thing is we don't need anybody doing drifting or getting the car squirrely or anything like that. Yeah, keep the shiny side up.
Where's the Boston?
And then I want everybody to be responsible for the person behind themselves. So if there's a car behind you and you lose them, wait for them. Does that make sense?
And that's a daisy chain, right? That makes it a daisy chain. We're gonna have traffic lights, right? So at the traffic lights, we'll slow down.
Naturally, we'll get broken up, but that's what these stops are for, so we can all regroup. When we get to the first gas stop, I want everybody to line up in 2 single file lines. If you're
Ken's getting ready. We got this guy set up. Got Nightfall over there.
Oh, cruise.
All I want is all I want is all I want is
We made it to our first stop. Yeah, pretty good. Just filled up on some E. These guys are filling up, I believe. Kyler, Ben. Me and Raymond had a little fun. I don't know if Ben got any footage of that.
Baby, I got footage, man.
Of us? Of me and Raymond?
No, I didn't. I didn't get it.
You rat bastard.
It happened so fast, you know, everything was just like, and then it was gone.
Yeah.
I didn't have enough time to, you know, grab the camera.
Alright. That's fine, that's fine. We had this guy in front of me most of the trip. We're gonna follow up with the other guys. We got Keith. Right. Let's go see what they're doing. We got Ben over here.
But once we get there,
This man.
Sit down, we're gonna have food, we're gonna eat, have a little brunch, talk.
Mm-hmm.
There it is, there it is.
Yo, whatever.
Yalaha.
Yalaha, that's how
Yalaha, yalaha, yaha-ha-ha.
Yeah,
There we
whatever.
go.
You left me at the gas station.
Well,
Fuck you,
exception. I
dog.
did not leave you. I told you we had to go, man. I told you.
You were the one
What
that
did
was
you
like,
leave?
just go, dog,
No,
just
I told
go.
them. I tried to tell them. When I told them, they were like, get him out of the bathroom. I was like, all right.
I didn't even go in by the time you told them. What?
tried, man. I tried.
Some shit.
I tried, please,
Nah.
Everybody made it safe. Nice group. What's going on?
Hey. We saw him pull over on the side earlier.
Yeah.
We took the wrong exit, unfortunately, and we ended up having to pull off. Yeah, I followed him. Or wait, was it you? No, who were we following?
We got lost the first stop.
Yeah, we got this guy doing fat burnouts every stop for some reason. We have Nightfall's car again. Looks amazing.
Okay.
Casualty already. No.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.
Furious M4. Alright, so while we're driving slow, I got one of the media cars in front of me. They got some photos. A Catless showed up in front, so we don't want to get pulled over. We're taking it a little bit slower. Looks like he's getting a little bit more photos. Unfortunately, I don't have the longer lens. So, yeah, there he goes. So we're actually passing where I used to play soccer, the Mike Stone complex. It used to be called Lake County Complex or Lake County Soccer or just Hickory Point, and then now it's Mike Stone. So, wow, they got a new bridge. Wow. Yeah, this used to be like wood, by the way. So, made it to Yalaha Bakery. Oh yeah, I know, right? Make sure the carbon didn't get any rock chips. I heard a lot of fucking noise. Anything new? I think we're pretty good. Got everybody parking up. We're taking a ton of traffic, unfortunately. He said I'm gone dead. Benny. Who were you riding with, boy?
I was riding with, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Come on, baby. I rode with you in the beginning. I rode with Kyler in the
You
middle.
were missing a good time in the back, boy.
Nah, you missed a good time in the front.
Nah, you don't.
Nah.
You should have saw how close I got to the fucking van. He just kept going. He just kept going like this, and I was like, all right.
All right. Nah, I mean, Viet got real close to Faster Media. Because Faster Media was like, yo, stay right with me.
Yeah.
And he was like, all over the place. That was crazy. I'm telling you. It was crazy. We were up there killing it. I'm glad everybody got some good footage, though. It's going to be a great video. Oh, there you go.
My voice is gone still.
Yeah, no.
My voice is so raspy.
Hey, everybody!
So the line inside is not good, right? The line inside is not good. I have to the side like 50 beers and like 20 sodas, and I got like 50 sandwiches, right? So if anybody wants a beer or a soda, follow me in a single line. You're gonna grab one and you're gonna go. All right? All right. I think that works for the majority, and then if you want to order something on your own, then you're gonna have to wait in line. But I think I made some accommodations for the majority of us. Grab a beer and go. All right? So in a single file.
How was your ride?
It was pretty good, man. Pretty good.
What do you think about the whole day?
It was awesome. Like, hold on. Let me. Tell me about your time, bro.
Honestly, oh, thank you. Honestly, I had a blast today. Like that first stretch, the first stretch was crazy. And then every back road after that, beautiful. Can't complain. The weather, we got all the out-of-towners here. I think they had a great time.
Like
and subscribe. Hey. He's a local. He's from Tampa. But yeah, I think everybody had a blast today. I feel like I'm being interviewed. I'm not good at that. I'm usually the one pointing cameras at people, bro. But Benny was riding with me. We had good conversations. We were chilling. He rode with everybody. What do you think, Ben? What do you think? Put you on the spot, baby.
Yeah, spot, baby. No,
Gonna start mumble rap. Mumble rap.
It was a good time. I had a great time with you, Wayne. I had a great time with Kyler. I had a great time with, Viet. And like I said, I mean, that was me having a great time, and I wasn't even driving. You know what I mean? So that just shows how fun the trip actually was.
We got more guys rolling in. They're rolling hella slow, but they're rolling in. Put up. Back pocket.
Back pocket.
Yes, sir.
No sus. Ooh,
Single light tink gang.
All right, we're gonna close out the video. I'm not using my camera, I'm using the phone because it's already put up. The batteries are pretty much dead, but we had a good time. Hopefully I can get some footage in here, some B-roll for you guys. Yeah, Kyler.
Fun ass day.
Yes, sir. Peace. All right, guys, I know I closed out the video, but I want to give you some after rally aftermath. I just wiped down the car, and okay, sorry, cut it out. So for the most part, I don't really have too much damage, I would say. My PPF did protect my car a lot, but I have rock chips, so like this is one of the rock chips that I got right here. I have some, oh yeah, I feel some right here. I won't have to wipe the windshield, but I wiped the PPF areas. My PPF was already beat up, but as you see, like we got some chips on the PPF itself. And I'm not quite sure how this happened, but if you look at this right here, see it's like a little perfect round indent. So not quite sure how the hell that happened, but that happened. And then it's actually, I have like little divots all over my PPF from like rocks, because I was pretty close to some M4s. So like these things probably, like, the paint protection can only do so much. We're going pretty high speed, so some rocks definitely shot up fast, harder than normal, and nicked my PPF, probably damaged the paint underneath. And then these carbon whiskers have pitting in them. I wiped it down so you can't really see it as bad, but in the daylight it's pretty noticeable. Overall, not too bad. Just wanted to sort of show you that cars that are driven daily do get damage. PPF. Yeah, so there is some damage from rallying your car or driving it every day. These cars that you see at car shows, you know, they either daily them or they paint them all the time. I think that's not cost effective, so, you know, this car is going to probably just get some new PPF, or at some point it might get a repaint in its life, but not right now at least. No! Looks like I got another indent right here. That was not there before, I know that for a fact. Because I had this chip right next to it, so I would have noticed that. So yeah, ideally I don't want to repaint the car, but because it's a individual color, so normally you don't want to repaint it. But if I do have to get this repainted at some point, it's definitely going to Samuel's. I'll get them to do a refinish is what they call it. And what they'll do is they'll probably like do a spray over and then re-clear, because usually it's the clear that's chipped and not so much chipping paint underneath. And if that's the case, that should be pretty easy. But like I said, I have that indent right there on that bumper. They'll probably have to fill that if I really needed, or if I really wanted them to paint the hood, or sorry, paint the front end and bumper and stuff. But like I said, I daily this car, so no big deal. Battle scars.